Hello everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel. SSC Express Smart Service Center is a digital solution point, where all day-to-day life digital solutions are done. Here we provide banking service, UTI, PAN card solutions, online recharge service provider, student e-corner, voter card solutions, digital education, e-certificate like residence certificate, caste certificate, income certificate, character certificate. Also we provide franchise model of all digital solution all over India. Those who are interested to know more details about our services and franchise model kindly contact our admin, Mr. R.K. Mohanta.